Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message.
Hey, Savannah, this is Brody. I got
I called to tell you I love you. Please talk to you soon.
I must have So call back ASAP. That means as soon as possible. All right. Take care. Yeah. Bye.
Hi, Savannah. Just calling to check in with you.
Hi, Savannah. This is
Miss
Savannah.
you. And hope you have safe travels this weekend. I love you. Take care. Bye.
We played 3 games today. I got 99.
Hi, Savannah. We love and miss you and just wanted to say hi. We're thinking about you. We're at the Vermilion Cottage. It's very fun. Very fun that you were here. We went to these first
Hi, Savannah. You need that.
Come home soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, I just wanted to check in, see how you were doing. Can't wait to see you in a couple of weeks. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.
That's about it. We love you. We miss you.
And I can't wait to talk to you when you get home.
Yes, and we'll see you when you come home. Definitely. Okay?
Love you, honey.
Love you. Bye-bye.